Welcome to Home of Taste Veg Recipes. Today we are going to do mixed fruits jam. Take fruits of your desire. I have taken 1 pineapple, 1 papaya, 5 rose apples, half mosambi, 1 mango and 4 pieces of watermelon. Chop all the fruits and put into the mixer jar. Grind it to a fine paste. Now strain the paste into a pan so that you get a good texture of jam. After straining the puree, boil until it gets thickened. Be careful while boiling as the puree splutters. As the puree gets reduced to its half, add pinch of salt and 1 cup of sugar to it. Keep on stirring the puree until it gets thickened. Add some more sugar if it's required. Cook until it gets thickened. The thickness can be considered as per your choice. Observe the color change and make sure it doesn't stick to the pan, so keep stirring. Switch off the flame, allow it to cool and place it in an airtight container and refrigerate it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for your notifications.